Hello, I'm back. Ran out of time in my first video, so just wanted to follow up with the last few things. So again, you're going to add this to the discussion board. Because it's a discussion board assignment, you obviously can't add, a title page and reference page and all of that. So what I'm going to be primarily looking for regarding APA is your citations. So down here, here's the reference for your book. Here's the reference for how it should look in text. It is critical that you are citing the book in your work. So I know back in Module 1, I got a lot of interesting replies that was all just kind of from your head, right? So some of this is intuitive, but just because it comes naturally doesn't mean that you are acknowledging the sociology of it. So please make sure that even when things seem kind of obvious, like, yeah, obviously my family, supports me and helps me get through life, make sure that you're pulling information from the book to demonstrate what you've learned through reading. I've got to see sociological concepts in your work to give you that credit. So I must see the sociology. You're welcome to use outside sources as well, especially if you want to think about number 4. So maybe you're not super familiar with some discriminatory bureaucratic policy. Feel free to look that up. Just be sure that you're including this citation at the end and whatever else source you use. Plus, this one in your actual writing. I have to see both. Okay. This is some more information. If you need more help with APA, you have a resource down here. Okay, so please be sure you are citing your work. I would argue that you need at least 3 or 4 different textbook references for each question to really show the way that you're synthesizing these 3 chapters. This is a lot of information. All right, so that is Module 1 writing assignment. That's due in 1 week from today. So again, come to the discussion board, Module 3, and then you'll create the thread, add your name, and then copy and paste what you wrote and submit. All right, so that's the main assignment. Please don't forget that because this is a discussion board, you also have 2 peer replies to submit. These peer replies are not good job, great job, I like what you said. It's not, you don't get paid to evaluate other responses, so don't do that. What you need to do is continue the conversation through including another textbook concept. So these chapters are full of information. There is so much that you can pull in to push that conversation forward and to bring in additional sociological points. I know I wrote that feedback on maybe nearly half of what I graded across all of my sections of this course, so please know that that is something I'm looking for in your responses. They also need to be at least a paragraph long. So just 2 or 3 sentences is not sufficient for the course expectations. So please make sure you're not losing points because of your peer responses after you've taken all this time to write your main post. Okay, so think thoughtfully and just be sure that you're connecting sociology to everything that you write. So that takes care of your reading and writing assignment. And of course, don't forget your Module 3 tests. Same thing. Open notes, open book, whatever you can find to help you. I'm more interested in your writing assignment anyway. Okay, so that's Module 3. Again, this one is a little more intense than the ones before it. Please feel free to reach out to me if you need anything. I'm happy to meet with you or to meet with a group of you and your peers, however you would like it. Okay? So happy reading, happy writing. Let me know if you need anything, okay? Take care.